To make a Gmail account in S24 Ultra, we're going to start by opening our settings. And in the settings, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see accounts and backup. Then you're going to see manage accounts. And in this menu, you should have the add account option. I'm moving my phone so I don't show my emails. Just tap add account and then select Google, and it should bring you to the Google page. And in this page, we see the create account option. And when you tap create account, select personal use, and Google account is going to create a Gmail, a YouTube, Google Drive. This is all part of Google. So follow the instructions and your account will be created. When the account is created and you open your Gmail, you should see your emails will start to populate.